Welcome back to the Enhancement channel. Today, we're doing a really fun plumbing project. So today we're doing a really fun plumbing upgrade. So if you see, turn on the water. Say you have something that you want to that can only be there and you can't really move it further. Or say you're with a little kid and you can't reach the faucet. You can't move the faucet. Sure, you might have the water, but you can imagine having something that can actually make a faucet movable. Like most don't. But some particular kitchens might have. But today, this sink is gonna have one. So my dad went online and he found a really cool bathroom extension. So actually it's a bathroom sink. It's meant for the bathroom sink. So this is made of solid brass. So there's nothing hollow in there. It's high quality, and all you have to do is to remove the spout and put it on. So when I put it on, I'm actually not going to put it on. It accomplishes an angle of 1,400 degrees. Look. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be this angle. I'm going to give you a better view here. So this spins in just one direction. So see, it doesn't turn any different way, but it goes 360 degrees this way. And when you have this direction, there's many directions for maximum flexibility. And this one rotates every 360 degrees in 3D. So together, you can get an angle of 1,400 degrees. Which you would be asking, why is it more than 360? Because it can cover one area in more than one way. So say you want to get exactly this angle. You could do it like this, or you could do it like this. So I'm going to put this on the cloth instead of the table so it doesn't get scratched. So this actually comes with a wrench, but this is not good. What you should use is a professional wrench, and it says it cannot lock. So what this is an adjustable wrench as well. Look, you can spin it, and look, right now I'm spinning it this way. So it can go all the way to 1.5 inches. But if you notice, this can even close tighter than anything is possible. It can go to literally 0 inches. It can literally touch. Which I don't know why would you want it to touch, but it can. So this is also our English customary that I like, but the directions say that it has to be 24 milliliters. So, yeah. I'm going to set my opening to 24 milliliters. And don't do that. It does not work that way. So look, 21, 22, 23, and 20, and 24. So that should be good. Now, I'm pretty sure all sinks, but I'm not certain, so look, it's circle, but then there's this thing. That's for the way it's split. So I'm going to use the wrench to remove the old spout. Now, if you notice, your sink probably has the same thing as the sink does. So it's circular for decoration, and then has this so that it can be installed and uninstalled. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting it to 24 milliliters. We're going to be setting it to the left to unscrew it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have to tighten it. Yeah, now it's tight. Looks like we got some trapped water. This is the old spout we just removed. So the water goes through this like this. And this is the filter that traps any sediment in the water. There's still a little bit of sediment in there. And if you open it, you can see a little bit of cloud showing through. So on this side, it's the filter, the green. And this is the aerator. So this is how it looks about the aerator. It's very heavy and it's really prone to splashing. If you ever went to a public place and they have neutral water that splashed everywhere, it probably didn't have an aerator. Or it might have had something opposite of aerator. So again, no aerator. And here's a difference with an aerator. The water's much less soft, it doesn't feel heavy. Like in the aerator sink, if they put you down this, it doesn't feel easy. You can see all the bubbles on my hands, and that's where the air is escaping. And also, it might save a little bit of water cost, since these aerators also limit the water to 1.8 gallons per minute to limit the amount of water you use. And this also has an aerator. It looks very different since it's new, but also they chose a different color. And now we're going to be putting it in. Before we put it in, there's a gasket. Now gaskets come in different sizes. Some are as small as a rubber band that won't go out like rubber bands. Some are more like this. Some are between. For bigger faucets, they have to come bigger. So the purpose of the gasket is to make sure water doesn't leak. So I'm going to put it in there and I'm going to turn it right. So that's supposed to tighten. So I'm going to hit tighten and I'm going to use the Dutch wrench. And now just to show you a brief angle look. This spins in literally every direction. And then you can. So now I'm going to finish sending it and then I'm going to show you. So it's come as far as it got, so I'm going to use the adjustment wrench. That's enough. This is even turned. So now I just finished installing. I'm going to put the wrench down and show you how it works. So first I have this one. It's like softer than even before. It's softer than a blanket, I would say. It's softer as water ever. And now when I turn it, shower mode. It's going to take a shower, but it's a kind of a soft shower. It's also kind of good to massage. Let's look at the angles. This is why I talk about 1,100 angles. Right now I'm only spinning at this angle. The reason is because I don't want to get out of the sink. But I'm pretty sure if you go up, like exactly pointed out of the camera, exactly above, and at the mirror where you can see the camera. So now I'm going to show you a few different angles this thing can also hit. So you can also do higher mode. You see? So this can go at a higher angle. And you can still do shower mode, which I'm pretty sure would be messy. Let's turn the water down. I'm pretty sure you could even do this, which looks a lot like a fountain. It's a little messy. We can clean up after the video. If I turn on the water more, it would be even messier. But look at how cool it looks. Looks like a bouncing blob of water. But anyway, once done making a mess and wasting water, there's still that, and I see a bunch of bubbles. So say you're doing something more, you can do hot up high. If you need to clean the sink, you can go around. This is shower mode. The shower mode will be shower mode. And you could also, I'm pretty sure if I turn the water down and I make it regular mode, I'm pretty sure you could also do this. See? You're doing it at the right angle. Oh no, why is the shower mode? Look. See? It's going to be very, very relaxing. Or you can make a fountain. Don't do that for real, it's quite messy. We don't mind cleaning it faster. Whee! Or you could do this kind of thing. See? Or I can turn the water down a little bit. Now the new purpose of this adapter is you know when you always wanted to clean the sink? And now you can. And then imagine when you get them. I'm not going to turn the water on since I don't want to mess up the floor. But you have much more control over where your water goes. And also, this is much easier to wash your hands now. Remember when you have the residue from soap? Now it's coming out easier with shower mode. And this is a much better aerator. So this is very cool. It's very convenient. I like it. It's not expensive. You should use it. So this is a very nice, high quality product. There's a link in the description. It's on Amazon. You can get it. Now thank you for my dad for making this video possible, buying all the equipment, letting me work in his bedroom, and thank you for making the channel possible to Dad. Dad's basically doing everything he's doing in the camera. And thank you for watching. And bye! Imagine this is a faucet.